Welcome back to Diner Tribe. So today we're going to make some rock cakes. So first of all, you need to place your cooker on gas mark 7, 220 degrees centigrade, 180 degrees centigrade if it is fan assisted, and 425 degrees Fahrenheit. So the first thing you need to do is get your flour, get some butter. If it's not soft, place it in the microwave for a few seconds until it's like this. Place it into the flour and start mixing until it looks like breadcrumbs. Next thing you need to do is grab your sugar, place that in, and add your chocolate chips. And again mix. Now grab your egg and a fork and beat the egg. And place your egg into the mix as well. And start mixing. Now get some water and put 2 tablespoons of water into the mix. So there's 1 and there's 2. Now that the mix is done, put it to one side, grab a baking tray, and some non-stick baking paper. Now put your mix onto the baking tray in shapes of a rock. And that's it. As easy as that. Now place into your oven for about 20 minutes.